In the rainforest lived a sleepy sloth named So-So. He loved naps and dreamed big dreams. He dreamed of flying and shaping clouds. "I want to be a cloud wizard," he whispered. The parrots laughed. "Sloths don't fly." So-So prepared. He climbed the tallest tree. He gathered moss and made a leafy balloon. One windy morning, he let go and drifted up. He shaped clouds into hearts and bananas. Birds cheered. "The sloth is painting the sky." As the sun set, he floated back down. Moral: no dream is too big at your own pace.